Catering by Uptown's planning website has many great features. This video will show you how to use our animated rehearsal program. After logging into your planning website, make your way over to the People tab. In here, you enter the names of all bridesmaids, groomsmen, parents, grandparents, officiants, and of course the bride and groom. After you've filled everything out, make sure to hit save. Next, head over to the Procession tab. Select what type of ceremony you'd like to create, either Christian or Jewish, and hit Start. Next, you'll hit the blue link that says Open the Procession Editor in a new window. This program will automatically create a processional that you can then edit. Hit the Stop Ceremony button to see where all your guests will be after they have entered the ceremony. To begin editing, click on the Processional tab. In here, you can move around guests to the desired position. This is the default position for the names you've entered, but it's very easy to move them around. Click on the person you'd like to move, select an open space, and then hit the Move button. Remember, the icon with the green is the one that will be moved. After you're done editing, make sure to save your work by hitting the little disc. Then, if you'd like, you can also edit the recessional. This is a standard recessional. It pairs everyone up the opposite the way they came in. After you've adjusted the way you want everyone to enter, you can hit on the floor plan button to edit where people sit. This can be done by selecting an icon and then clicking any open chair. Now you're ready to play your ceremony. As you can see, everyone will enter from the back unless otherwise specified. At the end of the ceremony, everyone will arrive at the seat you'd place them in. In addition to moving people to open spaces, you can also have them swap positions with another icon. Simply select both icons and hit the swap button. Remember, the green icon will always be moving to where the blue icon is. It is also possible to add groups and people to the procession editor. Simply go to the edit screen, select processional, hit the add button. This will add a new group. Then select a role for the new person. Then type in their name and hit the plus button. Do not go on to the second name until you've hit the plus button. This will add their icon. This next section has some helpful tips for some problems you may encounter. If there's a large gap of time between one group and the next, go back to the processional editor and look for any open rows. Delete the row by selecting the red button and clicking Yes. If you'd like to adjust what direction someone enters from, go back to the edit screen, select processional, and go to the pull down on the right hand side. There you can select from left, right, back, or back with an escort. Once you've selected the direction, make sure to hit the save button. Now when you hit play ceremony, that group will enter from the selected side. Unfortunately, some computers have an issue using the back with escort selection. If this is the case, just change the selection to back. In some instances, you may want a groomsman or other wedding party member to escort someone before heading down the aisle. If this is the case, make a duplicate copy and add it to a second group. Just make sure to tell them that you don't expect them to be in two places at the same time. This last section is a video review of how to move people within the program.